done. Hello, GFI. Yes, Mrs. Sponge, from the Victoria pub. And a squirrel has just chewed through your Ethernet cable. Okay. And you need to see the game tonight, so you need it all back up and running. Okay. Not to worry, don't worry, we've got our best person on the case and we'll sort it out as soon as possible. Yeah, take care, Mrs. Sponge, bye. No! Look, this is what she needs, the Max Headroom Ethernet Coupler. And that is how it's done. Forget your tangled mass of old cables and worrying about how to connect them to your home devices. GFI will show you how simple connecting your devices should be. Wi-Fi can be great for your mobile devices, but it can't handle the extreme amount of data needed for HD video streaming. Using our Max Headroom Ethernet products, GF Innovations will get you through every step to a new, hassle-free cable setup.